calorie a calorie? You guys know that if you've been watching the channel, this is a pet peeve of mine. And who am I? I'm not a doctor. I'm not even a nutritionist, but I've been doing this for 45 years and paying attention to what I eat and paying attention to my own body. So, is a calorie a calorie? Yes, a calorie is a calorie. But when these fitness influencers say a calorie is a calorie, what do they mean? What do you mean? Do you mean 2 plus 2 is 4? Of course, 2 plus 2 is 4. What are you trying to tell people when you say a calorie is a calorie? Are you saying food is food? A calorie is a measurement of energy. Now, a lot of people, or some people, would argue that a calorie is not a calorie because there's differences in calories. I got to be careful with what I say. A calorie is a measurement of energy. But what if the calories are fiber? Okay, that's different. Your body's going to respond to fiber differently than a non-fiber food. What if it's protein? So uh, I'm not going to go there. I'm just going to say 2 plus 2 is 4. But I want to know what these influencers are saying when they say a calorie is a calorie. Because 1,000 calories of Twinkies is not going to affect your body as if you eat 1,000 calories of broccoli. If you eat 1,000 calories of unhealthy food, it's not going to affect you like 1,000 calories of healthy food. It's not even going to be close. And that should be common sense. It is for a guy like me who's not a doctor, who's not a scientist. I'm not anything except a health club owner that's been doing this for a long, long time, trying to be healthy and listening to a lot of doctors and a lot of people, and then applying my brain, hopefully common sense, to make my own decisions for my own body. And I recommend that you do that too, whether it's a supplement or a medication or whatever. Get your advice from your doctor or multiple doctors and then make your own decisions. So you can't, this is not healthy. If you go, hey, my calories are so low, they're 500. Well, if you're eating all sugar and unhealthy foods, that's not good for you. That is not going to benefit you in the long run. It's not going to benefit your weight loss in the long run. Are you going to lose weight if you just eat 500 calories a day for 6 months? Yes, you're going to lose probably a ton of weight, but it's not going to be healthy. How much muscle are you going to lose? What is going to happen to your body? Because, in my opinion, basically, if you're eating 500 calories a day of junk, you're slowly killing yourself. So, what type of food you eat does matter. So, when you hear the term a calorie is a calorie, so what? Yes, 2 plus 2 is 2. That doesn't mean you can eat any kind of food that you want as long as you're in a certain calorie range and it's equally beneficial or unbeneficial to eating the same amount of calories of healthy food. It's not the same. You need to get your body to function better. And sometimes you can get into a calorie deficit by increasing your calories. If your body likes the food that it's getting, it's going to work better. And if it works better, then you can get in a calorie deficit when you increase your calories. It's possible. It's all about the food and it's all about you. Every person is unique. Every person is individual, and our bodies are going to respond different. No two people are exactly alike. So you got to kind of figure this out for yourself. You got to think for yourself, and you got to kind of experiment on yourself. Check your blood pressure, check your glucose, check the things that you can check and see how your body responds to different foods. Get healthier. And yes, a calorie is a calorie. Anyway, if you guys are looking for testosterone replacement therapy, you can go to Royal Medical. The link is in the description. use the promo code Vitality1 and you'll get, it's $195 the first month, I think, and then you get $45 off for the next 5 months. That's an unbelievable price. It covers your medications, your consultations, and your blood work. And man or woman, if you're having symptoms of low testosterone, maybe your body composition's changed all of a sudden, brain fog, lack of energy, get your testosterone checked, male and female. Of course, low libido is an obvious one. Get your testosterone checked. If you're having symptoms, you may still be in the low range. Talk to Royal Medical because they can help you out.